Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Galloway Ridge, a brand new townhome community by Meritage Homes right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, this community will feature 280 townhomes with 4 different floor plans, ranging from 1,400 to over 1,800 square feet. And homes are priced in the 300,000s, guys. You will be able to enjoy resort-style amenities like a pool and a cabana with the HOA fee of just $218 per month, covering your yard maintenance, trash pickup, and exterior upkeep. Perfect for easy, low-maintenance living. And let's talk about this location because this one is hard to beat. You are only 3 minutes from I-485, 5 minutes from Riverbend Village, 15 minutes from the Charlotte Douglas Airport, and just 16 minutes from Uptown Charlotte. Everything you need from dining and shopping to entertainment is right around the corner. So today, we are touring the Opal, the largest floor plan here at Galloway Ridge, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and 1,834 square feet of open concept living. At the heart of the home, you will find a spacious kitchen island, perfect for entertaining, plus an upstairs loft, laundry room, and a beautiful primary suite with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath. What makes Meritage Homes stand out, though, is their commitment to energy efficiency with spray foam installation that keeps your home comfortable, quiet, and your energy bills low. And guess what? The best part is all appliances are included. Yes, the washer, dryer, refrigerator, and blinds. Plus, move-in ready homes available to close in as little as 30 to 60 days. And right now, buyers can receive up to $20,000 in closing cost assistance. So, if you're looking for affordability, energy efficiency, and convenience, Galloway Ridge might just be the perfect place to call home. So if you would like more details about this community or would like to schedule a private tour, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this community. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.